That's all right. I'll help you now. Babe, let me hold your hand.
Open on me, dear.
Just big mouth, please. Big mouth. That's all right, Nak. I-remove, babe, so you won't feel pain anymore later, Nak. That's all right. Done. Done.
Ano siya sakit? Shout lang din siya. Kamay mark ha. Mark ha.
That's all right, Nak. That's all right, Nak.
Like it. Sorry, sorry.
That's all right. That's all right. Almost done. You want to spit out?
Sige, sige.
No.
That's all right.
Siya ilay pag ay.
Sige na. Sige na. Sige na.
Islam pag ay. Okay, makita. Anong good name ko? Anong good siya? Anong...
Dabok kaayo.
Dili ka ng flat na. So I have to ilasipan ako separate pa sa iyang gums. I have to use another instrument. Wait lang ha.
Almost done na good, Mark. Last 2 minutes, okay? And then we're done.
I'm gargling.
Okay, okay, babe.
Open, open. Ubus ko siya ako. Open, Mark. Pwede mo na ito mga good. Slide ka.